Good afternoon. It's your one and only realtor, Anthony E. Crawford with Keller Williams Atlanta Perimeter, 404-988-8135. Happy Friday. It's a beautiful Friday afternoon. I'm out and about running errands. My dog seems to have some sort of skin allergy, so I'm out grabbing her some products to relieve her of that agony. But two quick things. Number one, I hate to be the bearer of bad news, but it's the end of the month, which means the first is rolling around, which means for renters, it's time to make your landlord wealthy again. It's time to pour wealth into your landlord as opposed to yourself. And that doesn't have to be the case, because you know me, you know a realtor, and you know someone that can make home ownership possible for you. Just last week, I closed a client, first-time home buyer. She was apprehensive about getting started with the process because she had tried before, and because she didn't have a large budget to work with, a lot of lenders, a lot of agents didn't take her seriously. 5 months later, she's a homeowner, right? She started off with a budget, and it wasn't the best, but because she worked on her credit and worked on her savings over time, during the time when we were searching, her pre-approval amount, her budget actually bumped up $35,000. Like, as we were searching, she got a $35,000 increase in her pre-approval amount. So we were able to get her closed, still under $200,000. We were able to get her closed, and she's a first-time homeowner. She's super excited. That's one thing. The second, are you gonna stop, bro? The second thing is not being able to afford a down payment. That's not even a viable excuse anymore, okay? Because we were just introduced to a new loan product where you can literally put 1% down, 1% of the purchase price as your down payment, up to $350,000. So let's use $350 as an example. If you purchase a home for $350,000 with this loan product, your down payment is a whopping $3,500. That's 1% of $350. $3,500. It is a conventional loan. There's no mortgage insurance, so that right there saves you about $200 to $300 a month. And again, it's $3,500 down. You're probably getting that back in taxes. So not being able to afford your down payment, no longer an excuse. Not only do I have lenders with the 1% product, but I have lenders that offer 100% financing. I closed a client last year with no money down, okay? 100% financing. They did have to pay closing costs, which came out to be like $7,500 for their particular purchase. So again, there are, not to mention your standard FHA, which is 3.5% down. There are several options for no money and low money down payments. So, you know, not having a large savings, no longer an excuse, not going to fly. If you're not a homeowner and you want to be a homeowner, and you're on the fence about filling out a mortgage application, not sure what your credit is like, not sure, it's time to get off the fence. It's time to get off the fence, fill out the mortgage app, find out whether you're pre-approved or not. If you're not, find out what steps you need to make to become pre-approved, and let's get you in a home by the end of the year. Anthony E. Crawford, Keller Williams Atlanta Perimeter, 404-988-8135. Happy Friday.